Take that off. You're doing it the wrong way. Yeah, I know. I don't have a garage. Yeah, I'm doing it inside my house. Oh, Lord. If we get any bloopers on this. You want some bloopers? Come on. The handle. There's a hole there. There's a hole here. Goes the seal. Do I have more room to get to the clips? I got the door skin off. Can't access this part of the handle from on this side. There's not enough room here. I found out that you got plenty of room if you take that skin off. Alright, where's my camera at? And there's one of the clips. I see you! And the other one is beneath it. Where's my toothbrush? No, that ain't gonna work. But there's the clips. There's plenty of access on through the top, and if you leave the screw in, it gets you a little bit more leverage so you can get those clips out with the flathead screwdriver. Let me see if I can get it with the camera in the way. I don't think so. Oh, let me do it without the camera. Moved one clip out of the way. Well, here's another view. I got the clip off. Well, actually, it broke on the bottom, so I don't need it. I just need to pull it out because I got a new one on the handle. Knocking stuff around. Oh. See my battery on that. Up until this point, it's been a little bit of a struggle. There's plenty of videos on how to replace the outside handle, and then this one is just a little bit more fun. That's why I'm making this video. Plenty of videos about that handle, but not this one. I mean, eventually, oh look, that one came off easy. This one broke. Of course, that's the handle that broke. Don't need that anymore. Here's the new replacement from O'Reilly's. Lifetime guarantee. There's the clips there. Let me cruise you on over here. There's the bottom clip. The top one's for the lock. It's just a reverse order now. I got to get this plastic piece off. It's just a reverse order now to put the new one on and put the door skin on and everything else, and that should be good to go. Oh, shaky! I'm shaky. Let's see. We'll put it like this. See, there's the door handle, the lock. They're both on. I just got to reattach the skin, put the window crank on, and put it back on the Jeep. No wonders there's no videos about this. It's not hard, it's just frustrating. I got it though. Oh, shaky! I'm shaky. Let's see. We'll put it like this. See, there's the door handle, the lock. They're both on. I just got to reattach the skin, put the window crank on, and put it back on the Jeep. It works.